This is the Protector RC car. It's four-wheel drive. It can go up to about 20 miles an hour. It's 38 kilometers per hour. It's a really fun car. So out of the box, you get some stickers if you want to decorate it. You get a user manual that's actually pretty informative and has parts list. You get some extra batteries. That's really handy. You get an extra wheel that you will need to install. You get the charger that goes along with the batteries. And then you get the remote control, which is, honestly, it seems kind of flimsy and lightweight, but it's very functional. The car itself is a pretty cool design and shape. I've really enjoyed the shocks on it and the wheels. I like how it's four-wheel drive. I like the low profile of it, so if it flips, it often will flip and turn again upright, which is really nice. Here's the extra wheel. You can see that it's the same size as the other wheel, so it actually works as a replacement wheel, but you will want to install it on the car just because it protects the car when it rolls, and you're definitely going to roll this RC car. If you open it up, you can see the motor inside. It's got some heat sinks to keep the heat down. It's got the controller box and the servo. You can also see the batteries inside. They're not super convenient to get out, but not too difficult. They've got some little duct tape tabs to make life easier for you and pulling them out. And it's nice that it comes with a set of extra batteries, so you can get some really good playing time with this. The remote control just uses 2 AA batteries, easy peasy. It's got some trim for throttle and for steering. I really enjoyed this car. It does go really fast. It has good control because it's four-wheel drive. It's just a nice, fun car to play with.